Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable your fixed navigation bar. So first, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So as you can see right now, my menu is not fixed. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Divi Theme Settings and then click on Theme Options. And then it says Fixed Navigation Bar, so you would just click Enable and then Save Changes. Now let's go visit the site again. And as you can see, when you scroll, the menu stays up there. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.